To soothe your cough at home, try swishing organic cooking oil in your mouth for 20 minutes to kill germs and bacteria. As an alternative to medicine, take small doses of elderberry extract, peppermint, eucalyptus, honey, ginger, or thyme to help your body fight off infections. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Eat fruits and vegetables containing vitamin C and look for proteins rich in zinc. Stay away from foods that can make it harder to heal, like sugary drinks and red meat. For tips from our reviewer on preventing coughs through lifestyle changes, read on.